Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 17 to 23, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book. So let's see, Pisces, what's up with you this week? What is coming to Pisces ngayong week na to, June 17 to 23. Juno partnership. Oh, isa yung iba sa inyo. Ang main focus nyo this week, relationship, no? Pwedeng romantic relationship if you are in a relationship with someone. Maaring you will give more time with your person, no? Going out. If you are single naman, possible na mga business partnerships to, or pwedeng merong attraction, no? May taong na-attract sa'yo. Let's see what else. You have Ceres, nurture. So this is taking care of yourself, taking care of your loved ones. So yung iba sa inyo, magkakaroon kayo ng quality time with your romantic partner. Maaring meron na kayong free time together to, you know, nurture the relationship and talk about the future. Ayan, oh, may North Node. Very serious to for some of you, no? If you are in a relationship ngayon and kung napag-uusapan nyo na lagi yung future ninyo, then this person is serious. Yung iba naman can be business partnership. You will get into a business partnership. Let's say your overall energy for this week. You have the Queen of Wands. Vibrant yung energy ninyo ngayong week na to. Maaring you will be going out, traveling, being more creative. This is a very fun energy, no, for you this week. So, ika-clarify natin yan later. So, let's see your possible challenge. What is the possible challenge? Oh, the Eight of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, overthinkers. Yung mga bagay na hindi pa problema, pinoproblema nyo na kasi masyado kayong advance mag-isip. So, ano lang, no? Live with the moment, by the moment. Tama ba? Ganun. Kumbaga ako, one step at a time, no? You don't need to overanalyze a situation. Just enjoy kung ano yung meron ngayon kasi anything can change, eh. Kung masyado ka namang futuristic, I mean, it's okay na pag-usapan yung future, iplano, but we can't really plan or parang maging sure about the future. We can only plan, but anything can change. Okay? So, bakit kailangan mo pang stress yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na pwede namang magbago? Okay? So, I also see yun na ang challenge sa'yo is kung paano ka aalis sa isang limitations, no? If you feel like you are being limited, then maybe that's not the place for you, no? You have to explore. That's what Queen of Wands is, to explore. Let's see your opportunity. The opportunity is the Five of Pentacles. I think you have the opportunity to fix your financial problems or issues ngayong week na to. Pwedeng merong tutulong sa'yo or merong kang magagawang solusyon. Let's see your blessing. What's the blessing for Pisces? The Devil. So, Capricorn energy ito. So, yung iba kasi, ang negative ng connotation or ng interpretation sa Devil, but lahat ng cards merong positive, meron ding negative yan, no? So for the Devil card, since this is your blessing, it's about being more practical, no? Na kung meron kang mga goal sa buhay mo, you will realize kung ito ba ay achievable. Ma-achieve ko ba to ngayon? Practical ba siya ngayon? Kasi kung hindi, meron kang ibang gagawin or ipaplano para mas achievable at realistic yung iyong plans. Tsaka ano rin 'to 'no, commitment. Some of you puwedeng mag-obsess sa isang bagay na parang nakakakuha kayo ng happiness or fulfillment. This can be sa relationship or sa career or sa business. But yung iba sa inyo can be workaholic ngayong week na 'to, lalo na kung meron kayong ginagawa ng paraan pagdating sa finances ninyo. Mas magtatrabaho kayo. What is the Queen of Wands? You have the Six of Swords o travel opportunities for you. Pwedeng sa ibang bansa to, no? Or sa may tawid dagat, ganyan. Baka pupunta kayo ng Boracay. What is the Eight of Swords? The Nine of Pentacles. I think ang isa sa nagiging challenge nyo ngayon, parang nagmamadali kayo na maging financially stable or financially free. So, syempre, it's a process na kailangan mong pagdaanan. Unang-una, kailangan ayusin mo muna yung iyong mindset, yung iyong pananaw sa buhay pagdating sa pera para masolusyonan mo agad. Kasi kung meron kang goal tapos iba naman hindi siya in alignment dun sa mga pananaw mo sa buhay, then paano masusolusyonan? But you have the opportunity na masusolusyonan yung problems with money or resources. You have the Strength card. Yes, kayang-kaya mong i-handle yan, kayang-kaya mong lusutan yan. Maaring meron ding tutulong sa'yo this week. Let's see, what is the Devil? The Wheel of Fortune. Pareho to Capricorn energy. No, this is Sagittarius. So, I feel like, you will learn something, like a new skill. Merong bago ka matututunan na pwedeng pagkakitaan ngayong week na to. At the moment na gamitin mo yung knowledge and skills mo na yon, malaki yung magiging pagbabago sa yung finances. Oo. Isa siyang skill na pwede mong pagkakitaan. You have Shield. You are protected. Yes. You are also protecting your energies. So, maaring this week, may mga bagay, tao, sitwasyon na iiwasan ka to protect your energies. May repair. You are fixing things. Meron ka inaayos. May hinihil ka. So, this can mean healing from a past relationship, or maaring yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, nagagawa nyo ng solusyon na financial issue ninyo. Okay? You also have, may mga kailangan ka lang i-sacrifice for this week na, halimbawa, oras, panahon. Syempre, kung kailangan mo mag-double time para makabawi ka dun sa mga panahon na hindi ka masyadong nag-effort para sa career, business, or trabaho mo. So, ngayon, maaring iba, mas mag-OOT or mas magdadagdag ng working hours para masolusyonan nyo tong financial issues ninyo. Okay? Let's see. Speaking of finances, money, career, finances for Pisces. The people you are always with influence your future. So, napaka-importante ng mga taong ipapaligid mo sa buhay mo, no? Kasi sila yung magbibigay sa'yo ng ng impluwensya, no? Kung napapaligiran ka ng mga tamad na tao, so malamang tatamarin ka rin talaga. Pero kung pipiliin mo yung mga tao na ipapaligid mo sa sarili mo, sa buhay mo, na yung mga masisipag, yung mga inspired, determinado, may disiplina, so definitely ma-absorb mo rin yung kanilang energies, no, yung kanilang way of working. So, some of you, merong fear of failure. So, kung ano man itong mga gusto mong subukan, subukan mo na. Kasi hindi mo talaga malalaman hanggat hindi mo susubukan. So, paano kung magiging successful ka pala dun, 'di ba? Sayang yung opportunity. So, some of you, pwede kayong magta-try ng online selling, online business, or mas expose nyo ang inyong business online. May online exposure. So, sa love life naman, meron magsusorry. Pwedeng anak mo. Or someone na meron kang anak. So, pwede itong may opportunity na pwedeng magkaayos, no, magkabalikan. But of course, if this is a long time ex, so medyo questionable, but it's still up to you. Baka kasi may nagbago na sa person na to. Baka talagang sorry siya sa kanyang actions. Okay, but of course, it is your decision. Oo. Um, I also feel na there is a new person sa buhay mo if you are single, no, na maaring may potential na maging romantic partner mo in the future. Okay, but of course, yan, ayun nga, ay mayroon Juno which is about partnership. Syempre, pay attention pa rin sa red flags, no? Baka ano lang, bugso ng damdamin. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!